Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to fill and change the color of multiple cells in Excel. Firstly, select your cells, hold Ctrl. Go to color palette, then fill color green. Okay, and change the color of multiple cells with same color. Select your table, select this table, Ctrl H. More option, click more options, replace, format color, fill color, then this color is green. I select this. Okay, and replace with color, format color. I select yellow. I select yellow. Okay, replace all, close. You can see replacing this color with same color. Thanks for watching.